Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the AJW UX121 Sf. This is a satin finish soap dish without drainage holes and is surface mounted. The UX121 is representative of what this is. This is a soap dish that's surface mounted and specifically does not have drainage holes, which would certainly be appropriate in lots of instances where you do not want the water to drip down onto the surface. Okay. The -SF means satin finish. If you change that to a BF, you would get the same stainless steel construction, but simply in a polished finish. This unit is going to include 2 screws to get you started with installation. There is information below this video describing the product. We're going to skip right to the link to the tech sheet to start to go over it. Okay, so that link to the tech sheet is going to give us the important dimensional properties. Let's go over that now. You can see that it has a total projection of 4 1/4 from the face of the wall to the end of the soap dish. And the tape measure says it's closer to 4 1/8. Not uncommon that there's variance between the actual product and the technical drawing. What I think happens is that the technical drawing is created, but then they'll source this from a new vendor, and it's not adhered to exactly. Overall width, 4 1/4, that's accurate. The overall height is about 2 1/8. It's not exactly drawn as the template, but anyway, the point of the matter is you're going to be 2 inch because of the mounting plate on the back is 2 inch by 2 inch. And this mounting plate design is very common through many items that will be seen in the AJW catalog, which we'll go over in a moment. Installation of this is very simple and straightforward. There's a set screw down in the bottom, and when you turn that counterclockwise, you'll draw that set screw out and down, or down and out. This mounting plate, fingers up and pointed away from the wall. The 2 shoulders here are going to sit down on top of that plate, and then gravity will just hold it on. And just simply bring your small slotted screwdriver and tighten that up to complete the installation. Okay, there you go. Hope we can get that a little bit tighter. And the screws that they provide are just to get you started. This is obviously unlikely going to be exactly the only thing you need for installation, but it's nice that they get you started. So this is 22 gauge stainless. The flange is. The post is 22 gauge stainless. The mounting plate is 16 gauge stainless. The dish itself is 22 gauge stainless. Okay. Provide an area on the wall surface at the desired or the specified location. Place the concealed mounting plate on the wall surface and transfer mounting points. Drill your pilot holes, attach your plate, and then the unit goes on top of it. Now, there is also a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure. That's handy because it will allow you to see those other items I referred to earlier that share that same 2x2 mount, such as robe hooks, towel pins, a tumbler with toothbrush holder, a double robe hook is there as well, and they are under the what's called hospitality specialties. Now, I mentioned earlier, this is the unit without the weep holes and the unit with or drain holes. The unit with the drain holes is the UX122. So if you want the drain holes like you might have, certainly in a shower enclosure, which you will certainly want, you would use the UX122. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the AJW products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the AJW UX121 Sf satin stainless steel soap dish without drain holes, or any other AJW product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.